Let's make delicious macaroni at home. First, we will boil the macaroni in water with a teaspoon of oil so that macaroni won't stick together. The macaroni has come to a boil, so we will check the macaroni. As you can see, the macaroni has become soft and is breaking easily with my hand. So we will turn off the flame and remove all the remaining water. Let's prepare the tempering for the macaroni. First, we have taken a teaspoon of oil. Now we will add the onions and cook them until they turn pink and slightly brown. The onions are ready, so now we will add the tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes become soft. While the tomatoes are cooking, let's add some spices. First one is turmeric, half teaspoon of turmeric. Next, we will add salt to taste, and for some additional flavors, we will add Maggi masala. And now we will add some ketchup, 2 to 3 teaspoon of ketchup. Ketchup is very important. It's give you a slightly sweet and sour and tomato flavor. Almost it will give you a tangy tomato flavor into the macaroni. So make sure to add it. Now we are going to add the macaroni. Now we will add the macaroni and cook it on a slow flame for 3 to 5 minutes so that the macaroni absorbs all the flavors of the seasoning. And as you can see, it mixes perfectly. So the macaroni is ready, and if you like it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want any recipes, so do comment, and any doubt, do comment.